Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install IntelliJ IDEA on Linux. So I will show you two options. Both options will require to go into the official JetBrains site. JetBrains is a company that basically runs the IntelliJ, and we can go on this site, so of course like this, and right now. The first option will be installing the toolbox first of all, and from this toolbox we will install the IntelliJ IDEA. So how can we do it? We can do it like this. We will go on the official JetBrains.com site, we'll go into developer tools, and we will go into Toolbox app. And right now we have to choose our file that we will download. I will choose this one, Linux 64-bit x86, and I will download that as you can see. It is downloading 136 GB. The second option that I will show you in a moment will be downloading directly our program without a toolbox. So if you are interested, you can also watch the second part, but this is the first part, and as you can see we have it right there. So of course we have to go into terminal, into the download folder, so right here, and we have our JetBrains Toolbox tar.gz file right there. We have to extract that. If you don't know how to extract tar files, you can watch my video. I will show you that how to do it right there, but maybe I will not describe everything. You have to use X, that stands for extract, and I will use V, Z and F. V stands for this gzip, we have to use that, and F stands for file name, so it will be like this, and right now the name of our file, so JetBrainsToolbox and so on. Right now we have to press enter, and our archive is extracting, as you can see, and right now we have right there our JetBrains Toolbox folder. We have to go into it, so like this, and we can leave that. Right there we have a bin folder, so again we have to go into the bin folder, not leave but go into, but of course I can leave that. As you can see, in this folder we have something what is called JetBrains Toolbox, and we have to run it. In order to run it we have to type in // and the name of our file that we want to run, so it is JetBrains Toolbox. And right now we have to press enter, and we have to wait for it to start. So our toolbox should appear on our screen in a second. As you can see, the icon is right there, and as you can see we have our toolbox right there. So we will agree maybe to the user agreement. We will start that, and as I said before, right there we have IntelliJ IDEA, and we can install that simply by pressing on the install button. So I will press on it, and we have our downloading, and it will take some time, so maybe I will pause the video and go back to you after the downloading will be finished. And as you can see, our downloading is finished, and right now we have unpacking, and after unpacking we should have verifying and installing, and the installation will be go fully automatically, so you don't have to click anything. You have to just wait in order for it to be finished. So I will again pause the video and I will go back to you after the installation will be finished. And as you can see, our IntelliJ IDEA is installed. We have it right there. We can press on that, and it should run. As you can see, it is running. So our installation it has been completed without any problem. So I will press on don't send, and right now we have our IntelliJ IDEA right there. And right now I will maybe close that and close that toolbox, and I will show you how to download IntelliJ IDEA directly. So in order to do it, we have to go into JetBrains.com and into a IDEA and into a download section, right, like this. And right there we have a Linux section, and we have to download our installer. This installer will be bigger because this is a whole program, not only installer, not only toolbox. So as you can see, it will have above 1 gigabyte, I think. As you can see, it's 1.4 gigabytes. So again, I will pause the video and I will go back in 1 minute and 30 seconds after the downloading will be finished, to not waste your time. And as you can see, our downloading is completed. So now we can again move on to our maybe home section at the beginning. And right now we will move into downloads again. Downloads like this. And right now we have our IDEA 2025 3.1 tar.gz. And we have to do basically the same thing with it as we did before with this JetBrains Toolbox. So first of all, we need to extract. So -xvzf. This is the same command but with the different name. So IDEA 2025 3.1. I will press enter. And again, it will take more time than the toolbox, because this is a whole program, as I said before, and this is all above or almost 1.4 gigabytes. The toolbox was only like 150 megabytes, so it will be a little bit longer. But after it, we will go into this folder. Again, we will find the bin folder, and inside the bin folder we will find the IDEA script that will allow us to basically run the IntelliJ IDEA, and it will be the second option of installing IntelliJ IDEA on Linux. So as you can see, our extracting is finished, and right now we have to maybe list that, and we have a folder that starts with IDEA. We'll go into it. So IDEA, I will press tab and press enter. I will list that what's inside, and as you can see on the left we have the bin folder. So again, we have to go into it. We can list that again, and we have this script. We have to run this script. This is idea.sh. So again, we will press // and idea.sh. I will press enter, and right now without the toolbox it will launch directly IntelliJ IDEA 2025.3. So as you can see, everything is working. We can wait a bit again, and we can use our IntelliJ IDEA on Linux. This is how you can install it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.